Finally, after a whole year, I'm finally back home. Oh, hello, Mr. Chicken. Why? But you are the one who trapped me in another country. You can't just fire me because of something you did. Hey, don't run away. No, don't you dare get out of the window, no! I have no words. That's just... well. Why would you ever do that? Ugh. Okay, where did the chicken go? Now I have to find the chicken. Well, this is strange. Now I have to run to find the chicken and not run away from the chicken. Wow, that's kind of strange. Wow. Hey, come back here, chicken. I will catch you, and I will make you hire me again. I can't seem to find the chicken.
Are you trying to find a chicken?
Who said that? Are you behind this tree?
I am the tree. Here is the address. Just take it.
Chicken Nuggets tree, huh?
Yeah. Have a nice day.
Okay, have a nice day, you too. There you are, Mr. Chicken. I'm here to change your mind about firing me from Chicken Nuggets Incorporated. I may be bad at throwing stuff, but you are bad at making decisions. Yeah, that's right. You're making a bad mistake by firing me from Chicken Nuggets Incorporated. Well, you left me behind in another country, and now you are telling me that I'm ruining your vacation? And you also are trying to fire me from this corporation, which is also really bad. Wait, what? You're actually giving me another chance? Well, Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chicken. I'm really happy. Well, are you going to hire me back to Chicken Nuggets Incorporated again? I hope you do. Please. Well, that seems like a good idea. Well, can I have some popcorn? Oh, okay, I'm not touching the popcorn.